Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark here. Let's talk some Cardano. And right now, the biggest question that you guys have been asking for months now, will Cardano's price see a rally? So this is going to be very important because Hoskinson has teased a new technology that's coming about that will rival Solana. So make sure you stick around to the end. Also, everyone, if you're new to the channel, great time to do so. Make sure you subscribe right down below. Let's dive into Cardano's chart, and I'll share with you guys exactly what's happening with all things ADA as we kick off this week. And guys, this is going to be one of the bigger stories that we have going on because Solana has had a lot of success trading meme coins, all that good stuff. A lot of volume, a lot of liquidity that's been thrown around, and Solana, as we all know, is very volatile. Something where kind of Cardano's lacks, right? They're more stable, it's constant, it's boring for the most part for many. But let's talk about why this is happening because we've seen what's coming about with Cardano kind of venturing into the meme coin space. This is really, truly relevant. So let's get down into it. And before we do, guys, if you have not looked at some of the exchanges that I'm partnered with, make sure you give Margex a look. There is a bonus if you sign up using my link. I believe you get discounted on fees as well as a 20% bonus if you sign up using my link down below. Right now, if you register, you can claim up to $10,000 in bonuses. And I think with just $100, you can partake in what they have going on within a Caspa airdrop that's going around where everyone can get a share of a $500,000 Caspa airdrop right here with Margex. So check it out, sign up. There is no KYC, so make sure it's right for you where you're located and get started trading on leverage today with Margex if you choose to do so. Links down below. All right, but back into it. This is Cardano right now as we look into the chart. It's a very green day in crypto, and we love to see that. We love to have it, and I will welcome this every day because, quite frankly, it's a lot easier to make videos and talk crypto with you guys when you're not upset that crypto is just crashing. But Cardano very modestly up 1.6%. This is 33.5 on the charts. That's where we're currently trading at, just slightly above a $12 billion market cap in that 11th spot in the overall total market cap for crypto. All right, so that's kind of the recap within ADA on the charts. Please remember, though, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence when we talk crypto here on the channel, okay? But let's get back in this article because as Cardano is kind of hovering around support levels after seeing weeks of the steady decline that we've been experiencing, Hoskinson is teasing a potential Solana killer upgrade that would use a lot of bullishness and inject that into seeing a reversal on the charts. Obviously, if we see a 35% surge with this upgrade, that would be massive. Okay, so you could do the math in your head. That would probably be close to a 15 cents increase, and Cardano would get itself above 50 cents once more. Now, this is the implementation of the Ouroboros upgrade. Now, I'm going to be frank with y'all. There is a very, very steady kind of influx of information within ADA, and quite frankly, nobody really cares. It's very scientific. I use that term a lot. But as Cardano sees an increase, and we've gotten above $12 billion in this latest recovery within the implementation of the Chang upgrade, there was kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news event with that, but we have kind of lifted this downtrend, and we are now consolidating above 30 cents, which is also signaling a reversal and some bullish momentum. But this is kind of what we've seen, okay? The new development of the Solana killer technology is stirring a lot of speculation within crypto communities alike, and this is something where we would look for this upgrade and kind of this tech being implemented. I don't want to say it's going to kill Solana, but I would hope that it revives Cardano on the charts, right? I do hold Solana. I do believe in Solana, so I'm going to preface this all by saying I hope that both cryptos see some success on the charts, okay? And this is the actual post that we've seen, right? It was his response to a poll about which type of proposal participants would rather consider between implementing Leos or building a new Rust node. Now, the founder said that he would choose Leos over a new Rust node since the latter makes Cardano faster than Solana without losing any decentralization. Now, we all know that's kind of the big kind of cog right now is Cardano's celebrating the recent Chang hard fork and what they're able to do in Voltaire, trying to get extremely decentralized. That's been the goal pretty much for the middle part of 2024. And this is the poll. The Cardano community has voted, and this is where they want to see Leos, and that's where the requirement, having a requirement for 12 million ADA, that's the vote that was cast down in a overwhelming 55.7% of the support. And this is Hoskinson's response. The Rust node gives us no differentiating features for users. Leos makes us faster than Solana without losing any decentralization. Okay. Now, Leos is a step above Preos, the family of proof of stake consensus mechanisms that will secure the Cardano network. And now with this implementation of this technology, this would have tiered transactional fees faster than chain synchronization, which would push the network to become faster than Solana. Now that's very, very important because I trade a lot of crypto on the Solana blockchain. And it's like this, guys. It's like that. Very small fees, very similar to base chain, not as robust base chain is not as robust as Solana, but this is something where, call it what you want, whether you agree with Hoskinson or not, Solana is definitely having a lot more success right now in the crypto space. Now, as Cardano is continuing to ascend upwards, the big question is, will we see this 35% uptrend? Well, this is where we're hovering around this consolidation point around the support zone between 32 and 33 cents. We cannot break through that, and if we did, that would signal a potential reversal. But the resistance lies within around 35 to 36 cents. So if we do bust out of that, 45 cents would be the next step. So for all of you out there wondering, is Cardano dead? Well, I can tell you this, people are buying Cardano right now at these levels. It's just not seen in bunches. We haven't seen that mass inflow of buyers, and that's kind of key if you want the price to go up. But I can tell you this, whales have been accumulating. This is way too cheap for Cardano at these current levels. But if we do have some support, okay, above this resistance line, this is enough that we could have a strong bullish reversal pattern set to appear without really any confirmation, and that would be what would take us above these levels where we get up about 45 cents and above. So that's going to be the key number. The long-term target, which is crazy to talk about, is 45 cents. Seems like just months ago we were really pushing 60 cents and holding serve above 42 cents and even above 50 cents. But this is something where higher targets are ahead. Like I said, Cardano is just way too cheap, and that is the Solana killer that Hoskinson has teased right here on X. So appreciate you guys. This was a response in terms of the poll that was cast down, and the overwhelming support for the Laos requirement for 12 million ADA seems to be the odds-on favorite. If we were going to have a hypothetical situation where the monthly budget was 20 million ADA, this would be the proposal that was voted upon pretty overwhelmingly by the Cardano community. So appreciate you all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. If you haven't done so, please subscribe right down below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.